This Pareto Principle is amazing. You must have heard the Pareto Principle, 80-20 principle, where 80% of the times we end up doing 20% of the things, something like that. Or 20% of the things that we use 80% of the times. For example, if you look at your wardrobe, I put it in 70-30, more like these days behavior, humans are between 70-30. So 70% of the times we are wearing those 30% of the things constantly, and 30% of those things that we don't wear for 70% of the time throughout the year, right? I mean, you think about your habits of choice of clothes. Like, we have a tendency to reach out to those things over and over, right? That's what it is about. Also, no matter how big a house they have, we tend to occupy just that corner of the sofa or that particular table or some particular room, right? So which is about 30%, because we develop this comfort in there, and we want to feel that comfort over and over, which is why 70% of the times or 80% of the times we do that. And that's what it is. If you want to declutter, for any meditation to happen, for any management science to take place in your life, no matter how many books you read, no matter like one of those Instagram reels, read a book a week, read a book a day, and all those crazy things, it doesn't matter what you do, but unless you actually apply them and declutter, your mind is not going to get free, and your mind is not going to think the way it should think in order to bring the results that you are wanting. Okay, so you have to declutter, and the way to declutter is to apply these theories in real life. So apply it. Stand in front of your I did this, literally I did this when I owned a tiny startup a few years ago. I stood one day in front of my wardrobe. There are two wardrobes, big ones, countless shirts, jeans, pants, shoes, I don't know, two stands, two full shoe stands. And I was wondering, like, what the hell am I doing with this? Like, what do I need it for? Really, I never use it almost. Only a few things I use. So yeah, within a few hours, I finished this. I've got a tool on this, management tool. I will give it to you in the link, or in another video I've explained about it. It's basically CET, crucial, essential, and trivial. You divide everything in your life into these three categories, like crucial, things that you cannot live without; essential, things that you need but not right away, you can do without it for a while; and trivial, which you can ignore also if you don't really need them. So that declutters to a great extent. Apply Pareto Principle, and there's another principle called Parkinson's Law, which I'm going to explain in another video. So if you apply these simple theories, 2-3 of them, trust me, you will see tremendous transformation in your life, guys. Try it.